Hi Taurus, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for June 2022. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also using some love oracle decks that I have. Taurus, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of May, stepping into June 2022, we have a Six of Swords here. Maybe you were undecided, perhaps at the last minute things had fallen into place for you. Nothing official paperwork or technical work had also kept you busy. Perhaps you were also enjoying good food at this time, but then I think it could have affected your health a bit. Some Taurans could have also been a bit temperamental at this time because your responsibilities had increased. Obstacles to overcome this month or the challenges that June is going to present for Taurus is Queen of Cups. In all likelihood, Taurans, you should keep your emotions in check because this is the Cups energy, so definitely you're going to find your emotions playing havoc at this time. Maybe you're getting worked up or hassled on account of the problems that are there, whether personally or professionally. The key here is to understand that these challenges are also going to help you strengthen your resolve for the future. Maybe some of you are also a bit rattled because there's someone who is trying to pull the rug from under your feet. Maybe this person is very dominating and you feel that this person is challenging your situation in life or at the workplace. I think you definitely want this person to be put in her place, but then you need to do some soul searching as well, Taurans. Maybe you're coming across as someone who is unwilling to compromise. I think this could also make the work environment very oppressive in case this person is someone you have to deal on the professional front. But like I said, Taurans, you need to compromise, you need to cooperate because this time will also pass. Influences for this month, we have the Death card. This is a card which talks about transformation and change. You cannot resist the change which is there in the offing in the month of June because if you resist or you put a barrier when this change happens, then it could make it all the more difficult for you to adjust to the changes that are there. There's also going to be an urgency in your step. Possibly, you want to get down to business and you want to complete whatever tasks there are at hand. I think this will definitely help you achieve your ends quickly. While dealing with clients also, I think you may have to make allowances for them. Perhaps they are haggling or bargaining with you, and it's best, to reach a compromise because something is better than nothing. There'll also be jealousy or rivalry that you have to counter. Maybe you need to talk to the administrator about what's brewing behind the surface. Maybe you should enumerate whatever you have done for the betterment of the workplace. Other than that, Taurans, in case you're also the leader of the pack, then there could be some unruly workers. So you should be mindful of that as well. The first 10 days of the month, that is 1st to 10 June, we have the Four of Pentacles here. I think money could be an issue here for many Taurans. Maybe expenses are also going to mount, or perhaps you feel that there's little or no savings. Besides, I think Taurans, there's also going to be tension on the home front. Maybe you should also work on your relationship with your father or a father figure or a male figure at this time. In case you're looking for job opportunities, I think it's not very promising. Maybe there are outstation work offers, but the money on offer could be ridiculously low. Nevertheless, I think you need to promote your talents. Besides, you should also be firm while dealing with clients. In case you're already working, Taurans, you can expect a change in your schedule. Maybe you're also a bit exasperated as work is progressing at snail's pace. Maybe there are also errors in your work. I think you'll be a bit stressed out. You need to review the tasks. Maybe others aren't as systematic as you would have liked. That is why you're going to be a bit all by yourself, or maybe you're going to feel the heat. As the leader, you could also be dealing with the wages of your juniors. Maybe you're working on their salary structure or fee structure this month. The next 10 days, that is 11th to 20th June, we have the Strength card. This is a very welcome card and you can expect surprises at this time. There will also be gains through communication as well. Maybe some minor worries are there, but then gains are very likely. I think payment or your dues could also come in. On the other hand, I think Taurus, you should also brace yourself because there's going to be excess work. Maybe poor internet connectivity or lack of equipment could also stymie your progress, or they could delay your progress. I think again you need to cooperate here. Maybe you're also someone who is very set in your ways. You may insist that yours is the right way forward, but in these days you will realize later on, or in hindsight you will realize that you should have listened to the point of view of others. Official paperwork is also going to keep you busy. Incidentally, Taurus, I think you will be well supported by those in the administration or government officials in case you are asking them to help you out. The final days of June, we have another major arcana. We have 3 major arcanas in your reading, so certainly this is going to turn out to be a significant month. I think in the final days also, the pressure of work could mount on you. This person seems to be in the limbo. He is unable to understand. Perhaps you're also somebody who's sacrificing yourself. And this could affect you mentally or physically. You should take care of your health, Taurus, this month. Other than that, I'm also picking up that sometimes you may feel that job opportunities are few and far between. Maybe the salary is not to your liking, or maybe, like I said, it could be a long distance work offer and it may not work out as you understand the logistics of this offer. Nevertheless, this month you should be ready for the grind. You have to find time, you have to adjust. Maybe you should also seek assistance from others around you. While working also, Taurus, you shouldn't overlook the details. I think you need to use your intellect or your brains and make the most of the situation, especially in the final days, because luck is also on your side. In case, Taurus, you're also expecting a higher position at work, it could be possible that you may be a bit disappointed. So maybe you need to tone down your expectations a bit. This month, I'm also picking up that you need to do away with those relationships which are no longer of value to you, because eventually this affects us at the soul level. With respect to your love life, I have this card, an honorable surrender from the Love Oracle deck. You see this couple, they seems to surrender to the power of love. They are giving in to this mutual feeling of oneness, or this person is holding his beloved in his arms and taking her into the sunset. I think, Taurus, you are going to be someone who is going to be pursued by the opposite sex. Possibly there's going to be someone who wants you to accept the proposal, but maybe you are undecided. Or it could also be possible that you could be fancying someone and you want this person to accept that he is in love with you, but then this person may not want to surrender to the power of love, or this person may not want to surrender to the power of this connection. Maybe some of you are also dealing with an ex here who wants to reconnect with you. You know, sometimes there are also outside influences or limitations which could be on account of our family or our social background. That is why we may want to walk away from a possible romance. I think essentially, Taurus, you should do what's right for you. Maybe some of you also want to renew contact with the person you fancy. It could be an on again, off again connection. Or some of you could also want to distance yourself from a relationship where you believe that the person is a player. Romancing, Taurus, I think you do want your person to be more demonstrative. You know, sometimes there could be a flurry of phone calls, but sometimes this person could go quiet. That is why you want those walls of silence to be broken down completely. This month, some of you could also be concerned about your loved one's health. In case you're in an unhappy connection, you may be finding yourself being blamed for no rhyme or reason. Perhaps, Taurus, many of you are also dealing with a partner who is quite suspicious. Archangel Raphael is also telling you to give us your cares. Possibly, you could be a bit hassled or perturbed, or you could be fretful. on account of a health condition, whether it concerns you or a loved one. In fact, earlier in this reading, I did outline that you should safeguard your health this month. Emotionally or physically, you could be feeling the heat. Stress could only exacerbate your situation. That is why Archangel Raphael is asking you to seek assistance from others, whether it's a medical professional or whether you want your angels to intervene in your situation. Maybe you should also practice meditation, or you should take nature walks. Besides, trust that everything will be all right for you. The last card in this reading is Parents from the Angel Therapy deck. This card is definitely asking you to work on your relationship with your parents this month. Maybe you have issues with your father, or you have issues with your mother, so you need to thrash them out. You should reconcile the differences, because once we reconcile, then we feel lighter at the soul level. Like I said, some of you could have issues with your father, so this could affect your self-esteem. Or in case you have issues with your mother, then this could mean that you need to be more in touch with your feminine side. You could be coming across as someone who is very aloof and distant in relationships. Or perhaps for some Taurans, it's also possible that you are missing your parents. Maybe they aren't around, but you should be rest assured that they are looking after you. Maybe you're also concerned about their health this month. All in all, Taurans, June promises to be a month which is going to transform you. You can expect gains and surprises, and you may be wondering whether you need to surrender to the power of love. I hope, Taurus, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.